I had two codes that showed up on my dash this year after I took my LTV out of storage. First one was auxiliary battery malfunction. The second was active distant assistant inoperative. I think they may be related. So I'll show you where the battery is that supports this. It's actually underneath the driver's seat, right underneath there. And I think actually both codes might be related to a bad battery under that seat. So there's the battery under the footwell that actually starts the engine. There's one in the back that supports the camper, and then there's this auxiliary battery, which I didn't realize existed, that's actually under the seat. Okay, I pulled the 4 bolts out of the seat. These seats are a little heavy. They got power assist in them, but if you lean it back, the harness seems to be long enough that I can peel up the looks like a styrofoam separator. Right in the bottom down there, you can see the battery. There's 2 terminals right here. That's your auxiliary battery. Run over to Batteries Plus and see if I can find a replacement. That's what the battery looks like. Pretty easy to pull out. Just 2 terminals, positive, negative. Like I said, I'll run over to Batteries Plus and see if I can pick up another one. Oh, Batteries Plus makes a battery replacement. Same thing. We'll just slide it back in its holster and add the terminals and we should be done. Well, the new battery's in. Both error codes actually have reset. Seems to be working fine. My cruise control works again. My cruise control was actually out during this period, and now that's working, and no active code. So, little success. Batteries Plus stocked the battery. It was pretty cheap. I think I spent less than $20 on the battery. Thanks.